This 2024 Jayco Greyhawk XL 32U is a Super CRV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features a Stillwater interior, sleeps 6, slide-out. The floor plan layout of this Super C features Bunk Over Cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2024 Jayco Greyhawk XL 32U is built on a Ford F550 4x4 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.